What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're giving the truck some much needed TLC. So you guys know it's T-minus 5 days before we head out to Smoky Mountain Jeep Division all the way in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. So we now reside in Hurricane, Utah. So that's about 1,600 miles one way. So we've been doing so much work on the Jeeps, trying to get them ready, a bunch of different modifications, lots of new cool bells and whistles, little toys, little cool things. But we decided that we have been kind of neglecting the truck for a while, so now it's the truck's turn today. These King Ranch trucks are definitely something else. If you guys have followed us for a while, you know that the truck is not just our tow rig. It's our daily driver, our off-road support vehicle, and our road trip adventure vehicle. Let's be honest, whether you're off-roading, towing, or just daily driving your truck, things get messy, but protecting your truck's interior doesn't have to be complicated or boring. Today, we're testing out a set of custom floor mats that are tough, sleek, and built specifically for these Super Duty trucks. Let's check out what makes the 3W floor mats different.
And today we're finally giving some love to the truck with these new floor mats.
Let's be real, after one off-road trip, you know the carpets inside the truck are absolutely wrecked. Whether it's mud, sand, snow, or even spilled coffee, quality mats are one of the easiest ways to upgrade the interior of your truck and keep it looking new. So during our search for quality truck mats, there's tons, as you guys can imagine. So a couple things are super important for us is the fit, the quality, the durability, and obviously what is the company about. So 3W boasts that they have the most perfect fit mats. They're all laser cut and meant for their vehicle specific, right? So you have to make sure that you get even down to if your truck has a storage unit in the back underneath the seat. These are laser cut, 3D printed, and scanned to fit the exact base model or whatever trim level truck or car you have. They not only make truck mats, right? Mats for the truck, but they make it for the Raptor, the Bronco, so many different vehicles. So you see that that's the packaging. Everything is pretty compact. You have the two floor mats from the front, and then you have the rear. Pro tip here, since they've been in the box for a while, I do recommend that you take them out and you set them out in the sun, probably for like an hour or two, just so that they can regain their shape. You don't need to because it'll obviously do this as well in the car, but if you're wanting just a seamless fit from the get-go, I highly recommend you try that. So you guys are gonna be like, Luna, there is carpet that's gonna get dirty. Yes, there is. So this is for comfort, for noise deadening, for sound, for heat, but this is so easily cleanable. You just pop it off, pop, lock, and drop it. And then you can go ahead and vacuum that separate part or run just this side of the mat.
Yeah, if you're planning to be on mud, snow, or whatever that you know that this can get dirty, just remove it. It is as easy as you can see, it clicks, and just remove the clicks and just put this somewhere else.
That's a good idea.
When it comes to protecting your truck's interior, not all floor mats are created equal, and that's why we run 3W. 3W offers premium floor mats for Ford F250, Bronco, F150 SuperCrew, and other popular pickup models, as well as so many other vehicles. Each set is laser measured for precision fit. No sliding around, no curling edges, and no gaps. Just seamless coverage and rock-solid protection where it matters most. What sets 3W apart isn't just the fit, it's how they're made. At 3W, they use advanced injection molding to create every mat. That process delivers a denser, more durable liner that resists cracking, warping, and wear, even under extreme temperatures and heavy use. The detailing is sharp, the quality is consistent, and the results speak for themselves. And it gets better. These mats are certified to the Global Recycled Standard. That means verified recycled content, environmentally responsible practices, and strict social and chemical processing standards across the entire supply chain. So when you run 3W, you're not just protecting your truck, you're backing sustainable manufacturing and real accountability. Durable, eco-conscious, custom fit, and easy to clean. Whether you're hauling tools, trail gear, pets, or kids, 3W mats are built to handle it all. Check them out at 3wliners.com and see the difference for yourself. Can't wait to hear your thoughts on your very own set.
All right, so you've seen the unboxing, you've seen what the mats look like out, and let's get to the most important part. Let's install. Depending on what trim level truck you get, it's going to dictate what your flooring system looks like. So in this King Ranch Edition, it does come with stock mats. So they're called the heavy duty, super duty mats. And as you can see, it definitely helps. It collects a bunch of dirt, but if you notice, it still leaves a lot to be desired. It is kind of small in stature, and it does not cover the beautiful King Ranch logo. So a lot of you are going to be like, well, that's what the logo's for. I want to see it. Yeah, but if that's where you're stepping every time you get in and out of the truck, this is not going to last a while. And obviously, these trucks are incredibly expensive, so you do want to keep them around for a bit. So you can see the rear of the truck. This is the stock mat. So fitment could be better. Still is a lot of carpet exposed. You still have this gap here. So it definitely suits a purpose. If your truck's gonna come with it, obviously use it, but when it's time to upgrade, you're gonna wanna get better. So we're gonna say goodbye to the old, and we're gonna say hello to the new. Now, come on, be honest. You can tell that the fitment is superior. You can see it provides way more coverage, almost all the way up, way more up on the sill here and behind the pedals. If you've seen any older vehicle, you see that the carpet spot right underneath the gas pedal is almost always the first spot to get that gross hole. Well, not anymore. Installation literally takes seconds. If you already have existing mats, take those off. These are the stock ones. You can leave this, but if you want an even better perfect fit, you can remove it. And just like that, bigger is better. You can see just the difference. Now you can put your foot here. This is going to maintain the integrity of your trims. Look at that. All right, time to do the rear. Out with the old. So when you do get your mats, you're gonna get this disclaimer. As I mentioned before, it says, please do not worry if your floor mats get folded up due to the packaging. Give your floor mat some time to lay flat and restore its resilience. If necessary, manually fix the mats in the opposite direction of the fold. But what we've come to find out, if you just kind of leave it in the heat for a couple hours before install, it makes a big difference. And then obviously just sitting in the vehicle, it'll contour to where it's supposed to go. So you can see far superior coverage. Now you have this covered. Now it goes all the way up to the center console and all the way backed up into the storage box. Guys, the Jeeps aren't the only ones that deserve some TLC. Like always, guys, if you enjoyed the video, big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and we will see you next time. Guys, don't forget, if you want to get your very own set of 3W liners, we're going to include all of the information in the description below. Make sure you use our product code if you check out on their website, or they're also available on Amazon. Bye.